Hello, I'm in a 2014 VW Routan, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, you'll start the vehicle so that your radio powers up. And then on your device, at some point here, you need to make sure your Bluetooth's on, which this is the Bluetooth. And often if you press and hold, it'll pull up a pairing menu. So from here, we're going to end up going through some voice prompts to connect. So we'll start that process here now. And this may take a few tries, but usually the first try you can do it. And we'll end up going through Uconnect.
Uconnect phone.
And then device setup, which you can verbally say as well.
Name please, or say list names.
Uconnect device setup. Just got to
Uconnect phone.
get to the voice prompts here.
Welcome to the Uconnect phone tutorial. You may cancel out of this tutorial at any time by pressing the VR button. Uconnect allows you to operate various telephone functions in your vehicle with your voice. Using voice commands, you will be able to place calls to phone numbers or to phone book entries just like you would from your mobile phone. Uconnect uses Bluetooth technology to communicate with your mobile phone. You must first pair your mobile phone with the Uconnect system. This can be done using the Uconnect setup menu. Pairing will walk you through a series of steps that will establish a connection between your handset and the Uconnect system in the vehicle. Once set up, you do not need to repair your phone with each use. However, every new phone must be paired before it can be used. You may add names and phone numbers to the Uconnect memory storage via the phone book menu so that you can press the Uconnect button and say, "Call Mary," which will place a call to Mary. To accept an incoming call, press the Uconnect button. You may ignore an incoming call by pressing and holding the Uconnect button. To end a call you are on, press the Uconnect button to hang up. Uconnect menu has 4 main options: call, redial, phone book, and setup. When you press the Uconnect button, you will hear the word Uconnect followed by a beep. The beep is your signal to give a command. If nothing is said within 3 seconds, the system will present a list of menu options. Listen to the choices and give your command after the beep. If you already know what command you wish to say, press the Uconnect button, listen for the beep, and say your command. Pressing the VR button while the system is speaking is known as barging in. Barging in must be done with the VR button. Speak clearly and at a normal speaking level. Say phone numbers as you normally would with a pause between the sets of digits. Speak aloud names as you would normally. If the system does not recognize one of your commands, you will be prompted to repeat it. If you have trouble with recognition, you should press the menu hard key, then press the VR button, then say voice training. This will train your own voice to the system and will improve recognition. Note please that any voice commanded system should only be used in safe driving conditions, and that your attention should be kept on the roadway ahead. You can always exit the system by saying cancel. Other universal commands include help and main menu. This concludes the tutorial. At any time, you can replay this tutorial by pressing the Uconnect phone button and saying Uconnect setup, Uconnect tutorial. To hear the first available menu, press the Uconnect phone button and say help or main menu.
Add device.
Satellite radio.
Add device.
Satellite radio. Uconnect phone. The device is not available. Uconnect phone.
Add device.
Available options are call, dial, phone book, redial, emergency, towing assistance, or Uconnect device setup.
Uconnect device setup.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select device, emergency, or towing assistance.
Device pairing.
Select one of the following: pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices.
Pair a device.
Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
1111.
PIN code 111.
That could have been any number you guys want.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
So again, from here, make sure Bluetooth's on, and then your pairing device. And now it's scanning for available options. We should see something pop up here shortly that says Uconnect. And there's a limited number of phones you can have stored in your vehicle, so you might need to delete one first before you can add new ones. So here's Uconnect. And then we'll add in those random numbers I made up. And then you can also link up call histories and things like that to make it easier for you. Oop, I'm gonna have to redo that because I somehow got a 7 in there.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Test phone.
Please repeat the name of the device.
Test phone.
Pairing complete.
All right, so now we've got a phone saved called Test Phone in here. And then newer models, you might be able to link up navigation and maps. You also, like this model, you can play music and things like that from your phone. And if you're having issues with that, first I'd make sure that the volume is actually on your phone and that you've got your media playing on your device. And then from up here, you can go to radio media, and then under this aux option, devices, make sure you've got the proper phone. And then from there, when it's connected, that should let you play, and make sure the volume is on your radio. But that's it. And then this is the phone we just connected here. But I hope all this is helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.